Today I'm going to be showing you 3 easy hacks to be able to turn any of your purses into shoulder bags. If you don't know what I'm talking about or you have not seen a shoulder bag before, this is what they look like. They are super trendy right now. I see them all over the place and they have this short little strap like that. However, purses are expensive and you may not want to buy a new bag right now. So I'm going to show you how to achieve that look with any of the purses that you already have.
1, 2, 3, funky.
Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah if you're new here. Before we get into the video, if you are not already following me on Instagram and TikTok, be sure to do that. My username is @HannahWarling and let's get started. The first way to turn your purse into a shoulder bag, I like to call the crossover. So you'll start with a bag like this one. This one has a flap right at the front and then it has a long chain attached. This one is obviously not a shoulder bag right now because of the length of the chain. It goes way past my hip as you can see, but we are going to fix that so you can style it as a shoulder bag. So what you're gonna do is start by opening up the front flap just like that. Then you're going to grab the chain, you'll pull it up just like this. Then you're going to twist, so it will create a cross just like that. Take the top part after you've crossed it over and loop it around either side of the top of the purse so it will lay flat just like that. Then you're gonna close this up, make sure that it actually locks or closes however it snaps together. On the back side you'll have this double chain and this is what will allow you to wear it as a shoulder bag. So you can just lift those two up together and voila, you have a shorter bag that looks like it was intended to be a shoulder bag. I will show you what it looks like on. It's super easy, really cute to wear, and it looks exactly like it was meant to be styled that way. The second hack I like to use to turn any purse into a shoulder bag, I like to call the knot. And for this one, you're going to need a bag with a zipper just like this one and the longer strap. So for this hack, you're gonna start by checking which side the zipper closes on. For this one, the zipper closes on this side, so that's the one we're gonna focus on. Next, you're going to put the bag on your shoulder, and for this one, we're gonna see how much length we need to get rid of. So you can check this by basically pulling the two pieces together. Once you've determined how much length you want to get rid of, you're going to want to keep your fingers here and take the bag off your shoulder. Once you've figured out how much of the strap you want to get rid of, next you're going to create a knot. So this is going to be the same type of knot that you use when you're tying your shoe. You're going to create a loop and you're going to pull it through. Just to demonstrate, I'll show you what that looks like. Make sure to pull it tight right up against the edge. So once you have the knot at the end of your loop, you're going to open the zipper back up. So we're gonna zip this one open in the back. I have 2, but it's totally fine if you have 1. You're going to place the knotted section into the bag and you're gonna want that to go all the way in. You're just going to zip the bag back up and this will create a stopper so that extra fabric won't come out. Once that piece has been tucked in, you can put it over your shoulder and you can wear it like any other shoulder bag and it will look super cute and trendy. The last hack is going to be a replacement strap. So on some bags like this one, you can actually remove the straps because they have clips in them. So for example, for this one, I am just going to remove these on either side and we will be able to replace that with anything that we want. Then it will look like this and you can purchase individual straps to go on any bag that you want. You can find them on Amazon, you can find them online. I'm going to show you an example with one that I have from another bag. So this is a shoulder bag strap from another bag and I'm just going to attach this one to this bag. For this, you just take the clips and you clip them on to the loops on either side of the bag. Just like that. And voila, it is that easy. You can then just use it as a shoulder bag and it will look super trendy and cute. You can get ones that match the exact color of the bag and it will look really, really nice. If you don't want to purchase anything new, you can also use things like a shoelace, a chain, anything that you have around your house to be able to loop through those hooks, and you can create a strap to any length that you want. It'll look super cute no matter which way you choose to style it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this video is helpful in showing you how you can turn your purses into shoulder bags. If you have not yet subscribed or checked out my other videos already, be sure to head over to my channel and do that. I have more hair care, fashion, skincare, and more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!